Come on, Jay. And my fucking phone's going off. Look at this shit. Sidewalk's not even cleared off. Shut up, Jay. What garbage can? Where? That garbage can? Fucking crazy out in this bitch. Look at that shit. People are stuck in this shit like crazy. Look at the sidewalks. You gotta walk on the street. Cars are drifting all over the place. Watch.
Hey, Jasmine!
Got people having trouble getting out the snow, you know.
How about this weather?
Video phone. I got a phonage, you see? And that snowplow's even got stuck up in the snow. Crazy ass weather, huh? Look at this shit. Oh, your main street's plowed. Well, accordingly, yeah, I would say so. But not as much. And look, my nephew.
Gotta have me my boats and hose.
We're out here in this snow trying to, you know, manage through this bullshit.
Hold on, make sure you start with my aunt.
My sister's aunt from the booby shop.
No, it's my aunt.
No, your mother's aunt. Watch the snowplow.
I demand it. It's my
That motherfucker.
Who you calling motherfucker?
This fucking snowy weather, man. Watch this. You want to see my sister's street? We're about to head up on that street right now. I need my nephew gotta go to the fucking Walmart. We're about to have video clips of that shortly. But first, look at this.
Yeah, what the hell, man?
What avenue is this again? A? C? What? B? Whatever avenue it is. Look at this shit. Call that some crazy motherfuckers. Yeah. 2 minutes of walking and look what this is bringing us. Look at this snow. I'm literally up to my kneecaps in this shit. You gotta walk in the street, let alone talk about this kind of snow. I've never had this much snow up here in my life. Never seen this much snow. This is crazy. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Now, what do you call that? Don't get that one. That one's the same way. Those two over there don't look as bad. My sister's house over there, mad shit. Oh. Mad shit. This fucking snowy weather motherfucking shit. Walking in the boot. No, it's just regular video.
Yeah, better be.
So I can show you Samantha. Look at this street. Wackiest street in Binghamton. Look at this. Look at this JC Street. Oh, and I almost busted my shit. You seen that, right, video? That would have been funny if I would have fell on my ass now. Yeah. Fucking crazy. Well, this is Travis. Out and about in the March 7th, 2011 storm. Woo! Crazy motherfuckers. I'm out.